Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to draw circles. So the first item I've used is a penny. It's probably one of the smallest items that you'll find to draw around. Simply place the penny on a piece of paper, firm pressure and draw around. And then I'm going to take 2 pence, which is slightly bigger, and again place the 2 penny piece on a piece of paper and draw around. Now you're going to need different sizes of circles when you're doing different drawings, so you can go around the house and find all sorts of everyday household items. This one's a little bowl, and again firm pressure, draw around, and keep experimenting with different items and finding the right size circles that you need. This is my favourite. It's a Pringle lid, easy to see through so you can see where you're placing it, and easy to draw around. Now for different drawings and different projects you need different size circles. So if you measure the size of the lid, it will show you the size of the circle that you're going to be able to draw. But if you can't find something the right size, then you start to need other things to help you. So you can buy from the art shops, and I think probably from Amazon, little plastic guides that you can draw around. They come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes, and so that gives you an idea of that. For the older children, you can use a compass. Not a great idea for younger children because it's got a very sharp point on it. But when you've decided what size circle you need for your drawing, put your compass with the point to one measurement and then your pencil to the other. So this is going to be a 12 centimetre circle. Put the compass to the middle of the circle that you want to draw, and then just put pressure on and pull round. Very easy to do. And there you have a perfect circle. If you don't have any of those, you can try this little gadget, which is my DeBeezy circle making gadget. Simple to use. Put your pencil in one end, find the size of circle that you want, put the other pencil into the other hole, push away from the rainbow end pencil, and firm pressure and pull round, and there you have a perfect circle. And I've done a tutorial showing you how to make this little item and also how to use it in more detail. Now as you progress, these are a few tips on how to draw circles freehand. So the first method is to draw a little square. Just check with your ruler that the square is about the right size for the circle that you need. I'm just going to make my lines a little bit darker. If you were doing this yourself, these are just guidelines, this square. So make them light. Put a dot in the centre of each line or edge of your circle. And then we're really going to just draw from one dot. So basically we're cutting off the corner of the square. So start doing a bendy line and joining one dot to the other. And then when you've roughly got the shape you want, just keep going round and reinforcing, and then when you're satisfied with the shape that you've got, you need to take your eraser and just rub out the square guidelines and gently rub away most of the circle drawing, and then draw over the top and make a nice neat outline of your circle. The next way for doing a circle is to draw lines like this, so crossing over at centre point with 1 centimetre each side, and then again we're going to join each point together with a curve like this, and then again rub away your guidelines without rubbing away your circle line, and then just go over and reinforce, and there you have 2 circles drawn freehand. Here's another method as you improve. You draw 4 dots of roughly the size of circle you want, and then you start using little teeny dash lines and gradually keep working round, joining the dash lines up until you can see your circle forming. And you just keep going, and then when you can see your circle, you can start to freehand draw in and just make your lines stronger and stronger until you have the circle that you're satisfied with. Again, gently rub away and go around your guideline circle. And there you have another freehand circle. Now this is another method. You kind of put very light marks roughly where you want the size of your circle to be, and then you're going to use the side of your hand against the paper, supporting your pencil, holding your pencil very still, and move your hand in a circle motion quite quickly against the paper. Place the pencil onto the paper and do lots and lots of circles round, and then gently rub away, and you can see in the circles that you've made a perfect circle, which you just need to then draw in with a nice clean sharp line. It helps if you turn your paper, because this is the angle that your wrist naturally makes. So if you turn your paper as you're trying to make the circle, it just makes it a lot easier to get the actual circle shape. And there we have the finished circles, from very easy up to quite difficult. I'm sure you'll agree that using this little gadget makes circle drawing much easier.